Is your garage door in the Wollongong area sticking or not opening smoothly? Misaligned or bent tracks might be to blame. These tracks guide your garage door as it opens and closes, and any misalignment or damage can cause your door to operate unevenly or get stuck halfway, posing not just an inconvenience, but a safety risk as well. Don't let a bent track disrupt your daily routine. Call us today at 040-977-4111. Our team of qualified professionals in Wollongong is ready to realign and repair your garage door tracks, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Contact us now and get your garage door back on track.